Welcome back to another DMOS Coding Projects video. Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install NetBeans. Go to Google, type in NetBeans download, select Apache NetBeans releases, select download, then select your operating system, Windows, then select the suggested download link at the top. Once downloaded, click on the executable file. It'll start the installation process. Select Next. Agree to the license agreement. Select Next. Install to the default directory. Select Next. Allow to check for any updates. And then select Install. Once again, this will take a couple of seconds. Good time for a coffee break. Once finished, click on Finish. Now you'll find on the desktop an Apache NetBeans Shortcut. Right-click on the shortcut. For Windows 11, you'll have to click on Show More Options, and then left-click on Pin to Taskbar. This will make the icon appear at the bottom on the taskbar, which will make it easier for launching in future. Then click on this shortcut on the taskbar. Once loaded, start a new project. Go to File, New Project. Now the three types of projects you can start: Maven, Gradle, and Ant. We're going to create an Ant project. The reason why, it's the most flexible. Click on Java with Ant, then Java Application, then hit Next. Now you get to name your project. We're going to call our project Hello World. Then click Finish. Now I'll just zoom in a little bit. Now for today's application, we're just simply going to print Hello World to the console. Where it says To Do Code Application Logic here, highlight that and then press the backspace key. Now type in capital S, finishing the word with System, then press dot, then type out because we're printing out to the console, then type print ln, meaning it's going to print to the next line after printing out a Hello World, then open brackets, and then double quotes, and then in the double quotes you're going to type Hello World. At the end, make sure you've got a semicolon. The semicolon at the end terminates a line of code. Now you want to test the application. Go up to Run Project Hello World. You should see down in the console output window, print out Hello World. Congratulations! You've installed NetBeans and tested it with your first project, Hello World. In my next video, I'll explain this project in further detail.